Welcome back to my YouTube channel Driven Daily. Today, we're diving into something that's been flying under the radar, a name that stirs up nostalgia and passion in automotive circles, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, you heard that right. Volkswagen has brought back one of its most iconic models, and it's done it in a way that blends classic soul with modern tech, a quiet revolution that might just change the way we think about retro reboots. If you're a car enthusiast, you know the original Karmann Ghia was never about raw speed or groundbreaking innovation. It was about style, simplicity, and the kind of charm that made you smile every time you walked up to it. The 2025 version carries that same spirit, but now, it's layered with the polish of the modern era. The design is sleek, with smooth curves that nod to the original's elegant lines. But look closer, and you'll notice sharper details, LED lighting hidden cleverly in vintage-inspired housings, and bodywork that whispers, heritage, while clearly screaming, 2025. Volkswagen didn't just revive a name, they reimagined a philosophy. Under the skin, the new Karmann Ghia is built on Volkswagen's MEB platform. Yes, it's fully electric. That means instant torque, silent acceleration, and a completely new kind of driving experience. But the best part, it doesn't try to be a sports car. Just like the original, it's a cruiser. A car meant to be enjoyed for the drive, not just the destination. Range sits comfortably around 300 miles, and performance is balanced, not blistering, but perfectly tuned for everyday fun. The car connects you to the road with that same laid-back confidence, only now it's wrapped in a cleaner, greener powertrain. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a quiet retreat. Minimalist yet warm, it's filled with soft-touch materials, retro-inspired vents, and a beautifully integrated digital cluster that somehow doesn't feel out of place. There are small touches, a stitched VW logo in the seats, a pattern in the trim that mimics the old metal dash of the 60s versions, that remind you this car has history. But it's not a slave to nostalgia. It's tech-savvy, featuring Volkswagen's latest infotainment, voice controls, and driver assist systems. The cabin is peaceful, with great visibility, and yes, there's even a throwback-style start button, placed exactly where you'd hope to find it. What makes the 2025 Karmann Ghia special isn't just its looks or its electric power, it's the vibe. This car doesn't shout, it doesn't try to be anything more than a beautiful, modern cruiser with a story to tell. In a world full of performance crossovers and futuristic concepts, this car feels like a secret. A modern classic hiding in plain sight. And that, in a way, makes it cooler than anything else on the road right now. Let me know in the comments if this is the kind of car you'd daily. This is Driven Daily, and we'll catch you in the next one.